In this video, I will show you how to turn off notifications on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for all websites on Chrome, or maybe there's a couple websites you still want to receive notifications for. So I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. To get started, open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. From here, scroll down to the bottom and click where it says settings to go into your Chrome settings. Then what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. And on the next screen, scroll down to the privacy and security section and you should see an option called site settings. Give it a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, scroll down to the permission section, and on here you're going to see notifications. Give that a click, that's going to take you to this section here. And from here, what you can do if you want to completely turn off notifications for websites is just select this option here underneath default behavior, which says don't allow sites to send notifications. Now, if you still want some websites to send you notifications, then click the top option, which says sites can ask to send notifications. And what you can do is scroll down to the customized behavior section and manually add the websites that you want to send notifications for. You've also got a section for websites which won't be allowed to send notifications. So for example, if we wanted to not receive notifications from Google, then I would come to the not allowed to send notifications, click onto the add button over here and type google.com into the box here. Once that's done, I can click add and that's going to add it to the not allowed to send notifications list. And of course, any websites you still want to receive notifications for, you would repeat this process for the section down here. So that is how to turn off notifications on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.